No, the title is not misleading. This actually is eggplant. Let's turn this vegetable that usually doesn't top the list of favorites into cheesy and crispy eggplant parmesan. First, slice the eggplant evenly, then heat some oil in a pan and fry the slices until golden. Just make sure that the oil is hot enough or your eggplant will soak it up like a sponge. Now, let's work on that herby tomato sauce. Saute onions and garlic, add the tomato puree, salt, pepper, chili flakes, and a dash of white wine. Brush your baking dish with a little bit of olive oil. Start by adding a layer of a tomato sauce at the bottom of the dish. Now place a layer of fried eggplant slices. Top it with a generous sprinkle of D'lecta Parmesan. Generosity is the key here. Repeat with another layer of tomato sauce, eggplant, and more parmesan. Now pop it into the oven and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Garnish with olive oil and some fresh parsley. And finally slice it up and serve hot. Whether it's lunch, dinner, or a late night craving, our eggplant parmesan is the answer. Like this recipe? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cheesy goodness.